morning. This is day 3. Just having breakfast. Then let's see how the day goes. We are ready for day 3 activities. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. That is our coordinator called Ruth. Ruth, say hi. It is not easy. Oh my god. Body. Yeah, carry this on because of sunlight. We are going for football. It's an event that is Isambo Festival. It happens every year. So yeah, those are my girls. I'm so excited for this journey. It was in my bucket list for an international event, and I am so grateful to God that this has happened. It is not easy. It has not been easy. Thank you so much for everyone who voted for me, who has been voting for people's choice, for people who it is. You guys are amazing. God bless you for me. Thank you, and I love you guys so much. Let's see how the day goes. Guys,
Masi, can you listen to the song? Unapoteza watu. Na kila mtu adance atini kuangalia watu. Smile, smile, smile. Energy. Energy. Watu wa hii side tunafaa kuwa haya.
Mnadu zawadi mnadu haya. Alafu ndo sasa kuzunguka. Haya, endelea, tutaanza.
Endeleeni.
Anaruka hivi wale wafanya kwanza. Tunataka kuwafanya hivi kwanza kuwashangilia.
John Osogo boys. Ready for football. We got the band over there, and others down seated. We planted another tree.